Both of my units are running for the first, one of the...
2001?
Yeah. 2.5 ton. Who you hear is HVAC Adventures. He has come and he's recording my units again. The Goodage.
Good man.
The Goodage. Some nice fan noise. Out back into the fence. What's this? Better watch out. Trying to get you with the hose. The hose was on, so I was like, might as well wash the pollen off while we're at it.
Very pollinated.
Yeah, there's got quite a bit of pollen on it. Let's clean it off. It's like a steam. It's like it's steaming. Pollen has been exterminated. Let me make sure I don't depollinate myself.
They sound nicer already.
That's true, they do sound a little different now. Let's give him some more water. You know how it makes
You have to water your plants.
Screw the plants.
No, the plants.
Oh yeah, I'm currently watering my plants.
That just is. Oh, it went right in my eye.
Just watered my plants. Now you get to watch them dry.
Oh yes, this is like the next best watching paint dry video.
Oh yeah, we're just watching the coil dry.
Watching water dry.
Look at it drying. It's already almost done. It's just drying off. The Goodman. The bushes are getting pretty big. They're about due for a trimming. I will now put up my goop and we will do some startup itch. We're gonna be doing startups. Move out of the way. I got these things. I gotta hurry up. These things have completed. All right.